One of the things I'm a strong believer in is experiential learning. Younger and future generations are going to demand more immersive, local, intimate experiences. I had challenged our program manager to find some more immersive opportunities that would pair our students with local entrepreneurs, and ISP delivered that and went beyond. Last week in Johannesburg, we went to MABONENG precinct and were fully immersed on small tours with local entrepreneurs. You smelled the smell of MABONENG, you saw the bright color of the murals in MABONENG, you could taste some food at the restaurants, and that's what makes lasting impressions in people's minds. My experience of the country has been simply amazing, and to be able to do it with ISP just takes it to the next level.
South Africa is a growing economy and a huge emerging economy. There's going to be a lot of opportunity here, but there are a lot of struggles that maybe we don't have to deal with back in the States. So I think seeing that in real life really helped shape, our view of what South Africa really is like. A couple of the different business visits that we had were, structured differently, and I think that was very helpful. It's always useful to be able to at least do some research on the front end from our perspective to get to know a little bit more about these companies, but then have kind of the Q&A format or the breaking up into groups. I think that's where a more intimate conversation comes. So at least I know that I've gotten a lot out of those little sessions where you're sitting with an entrepreneur and talking about his or her business, or you're sitting with an executive at another company and talking about his or her, whatever their role is within their company. And being able to have those conversations, allows us as students to open up a little bit more and allows them to be more kind of selective in their answers, which I think is helpful. It's hugely important to go abroad and open up your eyes to what other people are going through, because you can not only hopefully bring something to them, but they might also be able to bring something, to you. I've loved every minute of it. Getting to know more about the culture and the businesses has really been a dream come true.